guys, this is just a real quick update video. Somebody had messaged me last night and I totally forgot about it. These 1 1/8" holes are not supposed to be an 1 1/8" all the way through. They get smaller for the leaf switch to go through, and then it gives it room for the nut to have somewhere to mount against. So what I did was I took 2 pieces of dowel rod and I cut them on my miter box so that they're nice and straight cut, and then I marked the centers. So I'm going to drill out the centers and then just glue them in from the bottom up, and that should be good. The drill bit I have is dull, so I don't know how well it's going to work. It's a 5/8 drill bit. And I think I'm drilling that a little off center. So I'll have to start with this one first. I'll have to flip that other one over and recenter it. A little bit of a tight fit, but it goes in there. So that's the first one. So that's what it looks like. I wonder if I can eyeball this. Okay, so now that we have these, I can always ream those out a little bit more afterwards, but at least it's drilled for the most part. Then we can put those in from the bottom side and glue them in. Test it here. I think I might need to ream out this outer hole a little bit too for the sleeve to go down. Actually, this one fits good. Okay, so this one fits. I might have to let this wood piece stick out a little bit, I'm not sure. Yes, I'll have to let it stick out the bottom a little bit and we'll just grind it off afterwards. I made them a little bit too thick, but that's okay. Let me go get the glue real quick. All right, let's get this first one glued in. I'm glad he said something. I totally forgot about this. I mean, I could have fixed it even after the overlay was on, but it's nice to be able to fix it now versus afterwards. All right, the first one's in. Just trying to get it centered up there. Okay. Now this can dry all day, and then when I come back to work on it, it'll be set up for the body work. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna take a little bit more glue and just go around the perimeter of these. Just want to make sure all the glue oozes down the hole. All right, so now this can set, and it is done right now. So all right guys, that was just a real quick video just showing you my screw up and how I fixed it.